Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use GIFs in Instagram comments. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and navigate to the comment section of a post you want to comment on. Then on the right side of your text box, you will see a GIF icon and just click on that. If you're looking for something specific, you can use the chat feature and just type in keywords like love and browse through the GIFs related to your search. Note that once you click the GIF, it will be instantly posted as your comment. And that's simply how you can use GIFs in your Instagram comments. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!